And YouTube, you know, it's the first Dirty Berry show for 2011, and we couldn't start here without doing the top 10 videos of 2010. Here to help me out today is my good friend Pepito.
Hi guys, you know this is the girl Pepito from the KC Tree, helping out Berry as usual.
Yeah, wanna say it go. So just stick around, and oh yeah, I'm supposed to have my new intro come right. Yeah, my new intro video. You know?
It's a shot.
Yeah, it's a shot. So watch this now, we'll be back with the top 10 videos of 2010. Number 10 we have is Jim Screechy.
Spice.
Yeah, Spice.
Make me scream
Yeah. I'm gonna say, yo, Shaki, there's one song about I'm Jim Screechy, you know,
everybody. Don't it? Everybody going at the coast of them, all over the place, man, read them, everything, everybody, I tip on them, told me, on the block, the song, the match.
I wanna whisper now, say, no, I'm whisper now to show me, say, mommy.
Don't it, but yeah, it's Jim Screechy, Spice, the video did nice.
Yeah.
The video did nice, it's also she had tried some Lady Gaga thing, I don't know, so she's pregnant in the video.
For real?
She's pregnant, that's why she
Look
have
like
on.
the cigarette, I think she did get it from Gaga.
Yeah, she's pregnant in the video, that's why she have on the raincoat song.
Burn our spirit.
Yeah, I never do. Yeah, that video. So, number 10, Spice, Jim Screechy. Yeah, that's it, the mad. Oh, where we reach now?
Number 9, man.
Yeah, number 9. Number 9 video for 2010. What you say it is?
One Man by Gaza Slim.
Gaza Slim, Gaza, so it go.
Baby, me no one, no other man. One man, to my pum pum, yeah. One man, to my pum pum, yeah. One man, to my pum pum, yeah. One man, to my pum.
I bossar, cause you never really hear the motor and then you hear this song. Me say that bad, yeah.
Dedicated to the man when we love,
you know,
number 9.
The line of profound, you know.
Yeah,
how much people that really dedicate them? You dedicate your to
honey. Me. See this right here?
Yeah.
Don't worry about the flooring. It's protecting this spot for the future.
Yeah.
Husband.
You say put a ring on it.
That's my baby, Matthew. Love you, honey. Let's go.
Alright. So the Gaza Slim One Man, the song The Mad. Oh, to tell you about the story, I remember this person prank coming in a bus from Calabar.
Yeah.
And like, you know, some youth today and them friend decide to play one prank, so like them take the phone. Them take the boy phone and them send the song to them, Bluetooth the song to it and then set that them ringtone. So let me know the bus now, like, on the way to Alpha Tree now, one of them go away to call the phone. Call my phone.
Lou.
And then the bus full, and you only hear, one man. And the youth hear phone, or the youth hear the phone ring, someone turn it, but you look at who phone this. So then they bridge them now. Yo man, I know your phone at the ring. The whole bus turn around upon him all. Wait. People ready for rush him, but then them friend them make sure to tell them say a joke thing. But it mad.
Why it has to be a Calabar youth though?
I know, it mad still, but yeah.
When I try that, I try to classify Calabar people?
No. But KC Tree you come from, so you're not supposed to defend
yes,
Calabar.
I do, but unfortunately I still say Cali too. Yeah. Half and half, no, and Queens just there in the middle.
You can't work at KC Tree after you just said that.
No, you can't tell me that.
Cut out the part here.
Yeah, anyway, we'll put it on.
Gaza Slim. Number 8 video, bomber, somebody come. Number 8 of me say is really a song.
Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. Me know I say it easy to pray the wrong way, so Jaja please guide me every day.
Sang the mad song the bus boat in when? January?
Yeah,
the early part of the year.
Yeah, the early
part of the year. And the mad everybody that played it was a nice little, they call it?
Nice little vibes song,
nice little vibes song. Everybody get up in the morning. You're playing in the morning and you know while you go everybody keep bad mind. Cause you know that's the anthem for 2009.
Yeah, and you know what was the best part about this video?
Yeah.
Is the fact that he used the people to sing the song.
Like, yeah, it was to the fans,
a bit different, you know.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate because you saw some of the stars. You're like, oh my God, this is Nikki. You know, DJ and so and so.
And even some of the ordinary people, them go say, yeah, the man who was selling peanut downtown.
All of them kind of really did a focus for halfway tree still. But
yeah,
it's all good.
yeah. Halfway tree at the spot.
I'm going to tell you still.
So that's it. Conscience, realest song.
Stays in my cup. You know it's number 7.
Richie Lou, my cup, number 7 song of the year.
What's in my cup stays in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My drink is in my cup. In my cup is in my cup.
That's the big song.
Richie Lou. Yes, indeed.
The man carried the one song from us in January, come straight back to December.
I'll me tell you, come here.
One song, come like G-Wiz, Day of My Life. Him carried the one song all the whole through the year.
But it's a real thing though. Richie Lou did really do well on the song there. All grand people and
everybody have one cup, party cup.
Rock to the tune.
So after that they have Ding Dong with theme, party cup, elephant man, and everybody have chat about cup. Song they bad.
Ding Dong they do holiday though. I like that. I like that.
Yeah. But holiday did the day before that.
I truly know it.
Yeah. But my cup Richie Lou, number what reach?
7. Yeah,
my old age. Number 7, Richie Lou, biggest
I'm older than you! That's not fair! Yeah, number 7, Richie Lou. In my room now?
Tired. Sure.
No, I can't do my dad.
Sure, cool man. Number 6. Number 6 video is Statious Movado coming into my room.
Higher than the moon, baby, come into my room.
Baby, me a come.
Big song of the year. What? You want to come? Come into the room.
He's not doing it right.
Come into the.
It's not Statious. It's Statious. Come into my room. Yes.
Yeah. Come on, look at the spotlight. Yes. So it's Statious Movado come into the room. Number 6 video of the year. Number 6 song of the year. What I like about it is that it shows a little softer side to Movado, and then the blend. Statious a part of Gully now, right? Yeah, so the two of them come together and it was just a mad song. Everywhere you go, it was a dancehall song.
My life, not easy like 1, 2, 3. You know it says number 5 and it's My Life by IR Fame. Alright? And quite frankly, I kind of like that song there, you know? That this eyes on the track, so. OMG, but you know what I'm saying? It did good. Number 4, it's
Man a long distance to that. Can't tell.
followed by Movado. Number 4. Where are we at though? Stop.
I was being a killer. You know, I don't feed on bullet. Sure, but you know I'm done. That's it. Sure. You do it.
Go to number 4, guys.
Distance to la, man a long distance to la, man a feed bambula, man a long distance to la, man a long distance to la, y'all show.
She's admitted.
My jeans fitted.
It's not that fitted. It's supposed to be like tight.
No,
it's
but
not tight.
It fitted and it's real. It's not no knockoff.
Don't trick me.
I do not wear
fake.
You know what go on. So number what reach? Number 3. Number 3 video.
Yeah.
Street jeans. Yeah, please.
Número 3.
Yeah.
Wait, no Spanish, don't it?
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, there was no Spanish.
Yeah, the other person in the video, Russian, big up Russian. He was the Vibes Cartel. Russian. Video did mad.
Like the white person, like I tell you.
Yeah. And it start everybody there wear them white shirts and rosy chain. And that start.
Yeah, but like everybody I take my good Catholic church and I wear them rosy chain like, you know, them just take advantage of it. But I like it still.
Yeah.
But I like it still.
Yeah, but that's how it starts. So number 3, Vibes Cartel, Russian, straight jeans and fit.
Straight jeans admitted.
Straight of 2010 is Cargo Nah Sell Out, my friend. Them big song, you know, friend come in. Ready? Walk on Facebook. We nah sell out, we friend them. Yeah, we don't message, we send them. Please, you gotta protect them. I think I'm fancy.
Nah, nah, but this my friend. Be a blessing, me son. Please, Jah guide and protect them. Me and my friends now.
2010 was a year everybody had chat about friend, a peer friend, so everybody had talk about bad mind friend, good friend, real friend, true friend, all kind of stuff. So the Sunday the official. Cargo big up yourself, you get a one tune for 20, or if they have a tune, they have another song. If they have a part 2 for National my friend. So big up yourself, Cargo. Number 2 song, National my friend.
We are getting a new class today.
You know, real life Santa Claus is. Don't embarrass my face. This is
no, wait, no, but don't being a get it.
It's not.
You know, you must I think it's just a weird song thing. You know, like people go party and the song I play, and it's like, I don't know on the clock tonight.
All the girls that them stilettos that jump up about clocks.
Very cool.
Don't it?
It's the stilettos.
Exactly.
It doesn't matter because number 1 is
Vybz Kartel clocks.
Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks. The leather hard, the sweat soft. Toothbrush get out the dust fast. Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks.
hey, we are getting a new clocks today.
You see what's your name? Gotta sleep and take the toothbrush out and brush your clock.
Yo, man, I like all about the cheesy part. That shit is funny.
Yeah. Oh, Popcorn in the video. Big up yourself, Popcorn.
Big up yourself, Popcorn.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
So number 1, Vybz Kartel clocks. Everybody just start get clocks, they go up. And all them some there.
Everybody around the 2 of them to buy all them new clocks.
Yeah, so Kartel.
You get baby blue pink. Yeah, one of them didn't want to love it. One of them kissy boy them.
I want you clocks. Clocks like what? $8,000, $9,000, something like that.
Why? But this one for $35,000.
Oh good. Yes, because I am not.
About 3 different leather make it.
I am not going into it. Me not going to no partner for go pay for no car. Yeah, partner still go on.
Yeah, partner still go on. I can't believe
this. Number 1 video, Vybz Kartel clocks. So yeah, check it. Number 1. Off 2010 Dirty Berry peeps. Oh, I want to some big up. Yeah. Big up to my mother, big up to my father.
So what? You can't big up your friend there. You're big enough to hear.
Alright, big up to the creative director of the Dirty Berry show, Giovanni. Big up to Dirty Linkar with John the Page.
Dirty Linkar, I love him.
Big up to the producer. What's his name? I produce this way called Caravan.
Well, no. Due to him always depend this like a baby.
Exactly. Matthew, Mike, Matt Dermot, whatever your name. And big up to all of the people them who subscribe to me on YouTube and on Facebook.
So what I'm saying, you're not big me up.
Oh.
Yes, host, and you're not big me up.
Big up my lovely co-host Shakira, aka Pepito. Anybody want big up?
Yeah, I want big up my family and where I try to say, yeah, the camera doing that. Big up to my family, yeah. Big up to all the boys in the KC3. You know yourselves. Marcel, Navarro, Saddam, Samo, yeah. My girl, Pablo. Yeah, Dana, Tina. We can't continue big enough because I'm kind of liking it, you know. All right, yeah, we can't. Hold on a second. I'm still thinking about people to big up. One day thing.
Yes, so big up. Trudy. Big up QQ. Big up who are the celebrities that my friends with?
Me hear say Pepita.
Big up Mystic.
No, me hear say Pepita the funny list.
Yeah, Pepita, I'm a future.
Let me tell you something, Pepita. I'm me first name Pepita, yeah? But just subtract the A and put the O. And the guys, I don't know why I'm coming.
Yeah, Pepita, no?
I mean,
Pepita, I love you, okay?
Yeah, alright, my girl.
Yeah, and what's up, guys?
Oh, yeah. You know, so we have to live our life in the
Check it out to very people.
That's it, I get it. Don't
you know what? Director, don't the video.
No, don't do it yet. No, we gotta do it again.
It's done.
See them girl there, contradiction. Them say them sitting tight, a bare fiction.